So hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to off super power saving mode in Narzo 50 5G phone. As you can see in your phone guys, you have on your super power saving mode and guys you want to off, so you can off. In this video guys I am going to show you. So let's see. First of all, open your phone setting phone guys. After after on guys your phone screen guys, you can see this type of icons and setting option. So guys, what will you have to do guys, you will have to click on this setting guys, icon setting guys. This you can see guys, door like. So I click here, then guys you can see exit super power saving mode. So you will have to click here, then guys it will off in your Narzo 50 5G phone super power saving mode. So it will off. So I hope friends you have understood how to off super power saving mode in Narzo 50 5G phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.